Here's a special treat to start the day, and it's just so easy. A French toast breakfast trifle. Firstly, you'll need an IGA vanilla sponge, some milk, honey, yogurt, cinnamon, a little bit of butter, some beautiful fresh seasonal peaches, flaked almonds, and a couple of eggs. For the French toast, whisk together the yogurt, eggs, milk and cinnamon in a bowl. Heat the pan with a little bit of butter. Soak the sponge in the egg mix and then toast in the pan for about 3 to 4 minutes until golden. Using the same pan, add in a little bit of extra butter, turn up the heat and cook the peaches for about 4 minutes. Add in the honey, simmer for another couple of minutes and then spoon onto the toasted sponge. Combine the yogurt with a little bit of vanilla bean paste and then spoon on top of the fruit, garnishing it with toasted almonds. A breakfast to remember that's easy to make with these simple ingredients available from your local IGA.